What's up, guys? As in the previous video, we've mentioned how to create conditional fees in WooCommerce store with YayPricing. Today, we'll check another campaign with this rule, conditional fee based on payment method. Back to the dashboard of YayPricing to create a sample rule such as if the customer's purchase with the cart subtotal more than $500 and make a payment by PayPal, they will have to charge handling fees as 5% on the total cart. Save the configuration and see how it works. Yeah, I'll make a purchase that meets all the conditions. And okay, our cart here included 5% of the total. Yay! And that's how you can create conditional fees in WooCommerce using YayPricing. Want more powerful WooCommerce tips? Take YayPricing now. We'll be back with wonderful upcoming features. Thank you for watching.